We do.
What do you recycle?
We recycle newspapers.
Plastic bottles, also aluminum.
Mixed paper, newspapers, magazines, bottles.
But do you know where your water bottles end up?
That's a good question. But I think that they were made back into like bottles.
Other bottles?
Recycled bottles are not made into new bottles. They're used for lower grade plastics to build things like playgrounds. But this machine may change that.
What you want to do, ideally, is take that material and recycle it back into high-value uses like more soda bottles, water bottles, beer bottles.
Chemical engineer George Roberts and his team developed a way to break down bottles made from polyethylene terephthalate, or PET. Right now, this type of plastic is non-biodegradable and costs too much to recycle back into food-grade bottles.
You know, you kind of complete that loop, and you don't have to make new bottles.
Inside the recycling plant's extruder, water is removed from ground-up plastic. Then the plastic is melted and chemically broken down in a process called depolymerization.
This is where the reaction begins, and it continues along the length of the extruder this way.
It ends up looking like this and can be remade into plastic bottles.
The breakthrough in this process is to be able to go from chips of this plastic to the recycled material in about 5 minutes.
Good news, considering Americans go through 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. This is Cynthia Demas reporting.